A Pakistani filmmaker has kicked off a raging debate on whether a Facebook friend request can be considered harassment. It started when Oscar-winning Pakistani filmmaker Sharmeen Obaid-Chinoy's sister went to a hospital. Well, after the treatment, the lady received a friend request from her doctor. That led Sharmeen Obaid to an angry outburst on Twitter, and what followed was a social media storm on what construes of as harassment. Many Pakistanis called her outburst an overreaction. In fact, one of them was journalist Ali Moeen Nawazish, who wrote that it was ridiculous to call a Facebook friend request as harassment, since it takes away from the real victims of harassment. The journalist criticized the filmmaker for Pakistan shaming. The Karachi hospital where the incident took place has fired the doctor, but the debate has still divided Pakistanis such that another hospital immediately offered the doctor a job. Finally, Obaid-Chinoy wrote on Twitter that the conversation had steered away from women's safety and unethical practices. She revealed that the doctor in question had conducted a very private examination of her sister and had left comments on photos before trying to add the lady as a Facebook friend.